Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Seriously, long time no see. You see I have a different background. I'm doing a green screen thing, which is honestly pretty cool, by the way. And I'm kind of enjoying playing around with it. But we moved back to Seattle. I've missed just talking to you guys, even though I'm just talking to a camera. I actually feel like I'm talking to you guys and I haven't talked to you in forever. And so, yeah, we moved back to Seattle. Do I miss Disney World? Disney World? Definitely. Do I miss Florida? Not really. But I miss Disney World. I love being back in Seattle. It's great. But today I have a little unboxing to do. I'm going to do a few videos for you because, well, I've been gone so long, but I have so many things to show you and I just have to get back up to date. So I'm sorry guys, but thank you for staying with me. So today we are talking LV, Louis Vuitton. And yeah, I did it in a little accent because I thought it'd be cool, but it's Louis Vuitton. I got a key pouch because in one of these other videos, you're going to see how my key scratched my Chanel card holder. And I'm just like, oh man. You know, I think it's different when things scratch because, oh, I dropped it or I did something specific to it. But the key scratching is just kind of like, I really didn't make much of a noise there, but you can see my face and it's just like, it's not good. So I decided to get something to assist with that, albeit more expensive than I had to get. And I do realize that, yes. But I thought it was cute. I actually was looking for a Chanel one just to match my little Chanel card case. But Chanel doesn't seem to sell them right now, but they used to. So I went to Louis Vuitton and I thought it was cute. So here we go. It's called the Key Pouch. Came in this. And I got the Monogram Empreinte leather. And it retails for $420. And it's crafted from supple monogram empreinte leather, or empreinte leather, which is embossed with Louis Vuitton's signature monogram pattern. The key pouch combines elegance and practicality. More than a key holder, it can also carry cash and cards thanks to a secure zip closure. Its hook and chain enable it to be attached to a bag or belt. It is 4.7 by 2.8 by 0.6 inches, and it is cowhide leather lining. And just for reference guys, Louis Vuitton can now be made either in France, Spain, Italy, or the US. So if it says that inside of yours, it's completely legit. Of course people want it to be made in France because that's where it's originally made. But so let's open it. It did come with like a wrapping over this, but I was like, oh, I started to unwrap it before I realized I should do an unboxing with you guys, which I haven't done in forever. So yeah, let's open it. Comes in a little pouch. All these little SLGs come in very cute, very cute. When you take it out, the smell of the leather, it's like getting in a new car with leather seats. It just smells good. Unless you're not into leather, and that's fine. But to me, new leather smells good. It smells good. All right, so comes with this. Let me show you. And I got it in, it comes in gold. I don't know if it comes in silver, but the gold goes with my Chanel gold that I got. So that was helpful. And then you pull this out. And let's see, how do you open this? Do you just push it in or? Oh. I'm trying to figure out, oh, does this not open or? Oh no, I guess you just put it on there. Unless I don't see where it opens and I push it down or something and pull it up. No? Or oh, okay, so you push this up. You have to push this up and then this opens like that. I was doing it all wrong, and then you click it back. Oops. Then it clicks back. Okay. You see that? But this, I have to push it up and then push it out. So push it up, push it out. Push it up, push it out. All right. I went with the leather because I did want leather, and I like the LVs being more subtle. But that's about it. I like it. It's cute. I'm going to put stuff in it, and I like the fact that I'm able to put change in it, you know? So, yeah, I like that fact. Okay, it came with some stuff. The interior is vachetta leather, and the exterior, the exterior says calf skin on the inside. Okay. But yeah, and mine says on the inside, made in France. So, that's nice. Yeah, but that's a quick unboxing. Just got it. Excited to use it. And yeah. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I will see you next time. Sooner than later, probably. Okay. Bye. Yeah, this is so cute. I like it. I think it'll go well with my Chanel, which is like right here. So really doesn't match, but they're both black. So except this is so much softer because, well, it's a different leather. So yeah. But yeah.